J&RS is a complete start to finish remodeling and renovation company. What that means is that when a customer comes to us, they don't have to have anything more than a vision for a successful outcome, like how can my kitchen be better? How can I improve my deck? How can I do something to my home that improves my lifestyle?
So what really sets us apart here at J&RS is the full experience that we're able to offer our customers. And it begins from the day you walk through our showroom doors. A, start to see the beautiful space that we've created, but then B, most importantly, start to see the team that we've assembled.
Back in 1994, my brother Jim and I started out remodeling homes together. At the time, there wasn't a lot of work for us in construction, so we began our own thing and got our licensing, became J&RS Sunburg Construction.
Ray is very meticulous and anal about certain details, but Ray's team does that. They know the details, they do the job, how it's supposed to be installed. There is no corners to cut, you might say.
So transparency in leadership is very important, if not one of the most important pieces of it. And I believe that, like, even as a leadership team, we need to have an open door policy. We need to have company goals that are clear. And that might even involve financials to make sure everybody's fully aligned. It means clearing obstacles and providing vision at a high level, but also for each individual employee, giving them that path forward. Really, it's that servant leadership mindset where I'm just here to help you.
The biggest thing that I enjoy about my job is all the human interaction, all the great times I have with the team, getting our work done together, often with a little bit of humor, a little bit of practical joking, at the same time being serious and actually buckling down and getting the jobs done on time. Seeing the customer's face expression when they come home after a particularly monumental change toward the end of the project when something is finished, interacting with happy customers as a result of the great efforts of the team.
Everybody has equal respect for everybody, and it definitely shows through the day-to-day practices and duties of everybody. It's just makes everything so easy.
The camaraderie with the guys, if I said something, they included me right away, and we would talk, and but we had no hitches. We never had, I don't think we had one hitch in doing what was part of making it work. Good team of people.